Welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV, guys. I know it have been a minute, guys. So in today's video, we just gonna keep it simple and we're gonna show you how to make the real authentic Jamaican fried chicken without using the egg wash or egg, guys. So stay tuned and follow me. And guys, as you can see, I already have some freshly cleaned, washed chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my fork and make some extra holes in the chicken. And this is for soaking purposes. So we could have the chicken soaking, not cooking on the outside. Like, we use this to make sure it's soaked right through.
It's a tenderizer too, right, babe?
Yes, you could use this as a tenderizer, and they sell the seasoning. I don't know, but they call it a tenderizer. But this is a real way of doing the chicken, guys. Anyone that have a restaurant already will know what I'm talking about. So here I go, guys. I have some Maggie. And you know, with the puncturing of the chicken, that bring the season to the bone. Without the puncturing of the chicken, the season will not go to the bone. Alright, guys? So we want to get a little Maggie, because remember, the Maggie have that little name already. Everyone know. They say salty, but once you have control, now we're using the paprika. So that should be good. And then for the salt, we're gonna add a half a tablespoon. Because remember, we have the flour also. And we don't want to get too much of the seasoning on the chicken. So last, we have the original chicken season. So you want to get that in there, guys. So that should be good. So we're gonna have this rubbed in now, guys. And when I say rubbed, guys, you have to get that seasoning all the way in there. See, guys, we rub it in. We do it piece by piece. We rub that in. And I'm using 3 pounds of chicken, guys. As you can see, these are the quarter legs. See? The quarter legs. We're doing it the original way, guys, without all that additive. And this is how we started out frying chicken. So, guys, we're going to let it marinate. And we're going to get started on the flour for the chicken. Alright, guys, as you see, I have my flour for the chicken. So for now, I'm going to add my onion powder. I'm going to do it the onion powder way. And then I'm going to use, guys, get a hold of the seasoning. It's popping and it's rocking. And remember, like, share, and subscribe, guys. That's how we get to do our videos. And guys, remember, if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, promotion is the key. So if you never used to promoting, that's how you're going to get your content out there, guys. So stay tuned while I have this all mixed together. Alright, guys, as you can see, I evenly distributed my season throughout the flour. And I have my garlic right here. I'm going to have it clean. Get the frying pan on the fire and have my garlic placed in it. So stay tuned, guys. And remember, if you guys want to promote your video, there is a little button on YouTube that say promote until your video reach out there, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Guys, here I go. I'm adding my cooking oil to the frying pan for my fried chicken. Yeah, that amount is good, guys. You know, I don't do deep frying, guys, because that's just absorbing too much of the oil. And here I go, guys. I'm adding my garlic. I'm gonna let it heat up, guys. And guys, remember, remove the chicken fat from my chicken. A lot of people use the fat because that's the way how to save the chicken from burning, but I don't use the fat. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, while we have the oil eating, I'm gonna show you how to flour the chicken, guys. And it's called shallow flouring. See, I have my chicken. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get it in the flour, guys. I just want you guys to see the first one. And that's how I do it, guys. I don't heavy flour it. That's it. And then I shake it. And then for this side, I'll go like that. As you can see it, guys, simple like that. You just press it, pick it up, turn it, and then you, for the creases, light flouring, guys. Remember, light flouring. That's it. So I'm gonna start getting these in the frying pan, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, now I'm gonna get my floured chicken in the oil. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm doing 3 pieces at a time, guys. So I'm gonna get it covered, guys. So stay tuned, guys. And I'm just gonna cover it for 5 minutes, guys. Check in, guys. As you can see, I'm having my chicken turn. Alright guys, so stay tuned and you will see the progress, guys. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. They're looking lovely and they're browning marvelously, guys. As you see, they're soaking. They soak right through with those holes that I put in them. Alright guys, as you can see, your juicy fried chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and place them in the plate, guys. Oh, this one is juicy. Ooh. As you can see, guys, they're fully completed. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one right here. I'm going to let the oil reheat for 1.5 minutes before I get my other set of chicken in. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm getting my second set of chicken. I did go ahead and start my camera putting in the chickens, guys. So I did bring back my oil to the right temperature. And then I'm going to go ahead and close again, guys. And just let it steam out. And remember those holes. And that's a pro tip. So do remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And do watch the video to the end. Yeah, guys, as you can see, these chickens, they're getting well soaked with the right amount of oil. It's not filled up. And guys, you don't have to use an egg. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I have a riddle, guys. Where is the chicken favorite restaurant? Where is the chicken favorite restaurant? Leave the answer in the comment. Guys, I really want to tell you, the chicken is a really delicious, budget friendly meal, guys. You know, and I want to give a shout out to my loyal subscribers and one of the main subscribers, Miriam Montague Scott, and you know the time. And thank you for making me reach 5,000 subscribers, guys. Let's keep pushing it, guys. Remember, that promote button will bring you a long way. No more hiding in the dark. Alright, guys, as you can see, my second set of chicken is finished, guys. Fully soaked. So I'm going to go ahead and place it on the plate. And guys, for the chicken, I'm going to make some gravy, which I did go ahead and make some mashed potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead with my gravy, guys, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm getting ready for my gravy, guys. As you can see, I have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil inside of my frying pan, which is already heated. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some chicken season, being that we want to make the chicken gravy, guys. So you use that, and then you're going to use the whisk to whisk it around. Make sure you get that evenly distributed, guys. And then what you want to do, which you already have it measured, you want to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of flour. And then you want to add some water, guys, little by little. Guys, as you can see, I have my chicken gravy right here, and I did have the fire on high. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I did go ahead, I know you guys all see the steam, so I did go ahead and have it on simmer now, which is low heat, so let it simmer. So we're gonna let it cook, guys. As you see, that's a chicken gravy. So stay tuned while we have the food plated. Alright, guys, there you have it. That's a finished product, finished meal. As you can see, I executed the meal plan very awesome, guys. As you can see, I fried it, not section by section, but the whole quarter leg, and then we have the gravy and a slice of avocado, guys. So as I told you, you guys don't have to put the egg on the chicken. So we want to make sure this meal is soaked properly. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to have it part, guys. As you can see, guys, fully soaked, and that's down to the bone. Right there, guys. I'm just digging in it for you guys so you guys could see. It's pretty straightforward for me to just grab a bite just like this. Come off pretty easy. And just a dip of gravy. And then I'm going to do the taste test, guys. Guys, this chicken is juicy. It's rich and flavored, fully soaked. And I'm going to leave the link in the description, guys, so you guys could check the description for the menu. And do try it, guys. And thank you for watching. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Have a peaceful one.
In the night where thoughts collide, I feel your presence by my side. A melody that calls my name. You play my